Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlights, the summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I am unboxing the Cloé RGBEC TV light bar. I bought those lights to put them behind my monitor because my room gets too dark at night or really early in the morning. And looking at my bright screen while the room is super dark is really straining my eyes. So those lights came with two types of stand. The first one is a regular desk stand, so you just have to put like the stand, and then you can put the stand on your desk, and then you can put the light on it. And the other type has a glue at the back, so you can put it against the back of your monitor. But I didn't go for this option because my monitor's back is not flat. It's really uneven, and I didn't really think that it would stick to it long term. So this is why I went for this option. So we'll let you see the unboxing. You will see me struggle as I tried to figure out how to install those lights. I read the instructions, as you can see, but apparently I didn't really understood how those lights works. Don't worry, I finally figured it out, and now I'm really considering if I should do some more cable management, because as you can see, it is really messy at the back of my desk. But yeah, I will let you see the realness of those installations. Here are the final results. I think they're really pretty. Comment down below what you think about those lights and what you would like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video.